called attention. Stand it is. Attention. Join your hands for prayer.
Open my heart, open my heart, open my heart to Lord. He knocks today, do not delay. Open my heart to Lord. Into my heart, come into my heart, Lord God. Come in today, come in to stay, come into my heart, Lord God. Open my heart, open my heart, open my heart to Lord.
Stretch your arms forward for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. School Standards.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Thought for the Day. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. All of us do not have an equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in the second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just a lip. I repeat, best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all. I'm Alfia Yeshudas from grade 9. Today I would like to give some tips and tricks for avoiding being late. First, is being late rude? Actually, being late is respectful. What would others think if you're being late? They would say that you only give importance to your time and never respect others' time. So we should avoid being late. So I would like to give some tips and tricks for avoid being late. First, think yourself. Figure out why you're becoming late always. Pack all the things that you need the night before and get a good night's sleep. You can keep reminders and notifications that are necessary. And never forget to keep your alarm clock just a few distance away from the bed so that you will avoid snoozing it. Next day morning, wake up with a fresh mind. You can just pray to God before doing the things that are necessary. Brush your teeth, take a bath, wear new clothes, and comb your hair. And the most important thing, never miss your breakfast. Many people who are always late usually miss their breakfast. But breakfast is very important as it gives the energy for the whole day to work. So have your breakfast. While having the breakfast, just avoid using mobile phones, social media, watching TV because all these just waste your time. Okay, next, there are many things like car keys, your watches, mobile phones, all these are not at your hand when you're off to go. So keep all these things in a small ball so that you could get them easily at your hand while you're off to go. Next, check all the things once again whether you haven't missed anything to take. You're ready to go. Just close the doors and off to go. So, next time, don't be late. Every time you're being late, just remember, when you're late, you are not respecting others' time. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I'm Jismiria from grade 9P. Today I'm here to ask some GK related questions to test your knowledge. So let's start. The first question. Who is the first man to climb the Mount Everest without oxygen? I repeat, who is the first man to climb Mount Everest without oxygen? And the answer is Fu Dorji. The second question. Who is the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize? I repeat, who is the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize? And the answer is C.V. Raman. The third question. Who is the first Indian to win the Booker Prize? I repeat, who is the first Indian to win the Booker Prize? And the answer is Arundhati Roy. I hope all of you get the answers. Thank you.
School attention. Stand at ease. Attention, Lord's Anthem.
Amidst the halls of Lord's Academy, with the children unite in one voice to sing aloud in praises, to follow and matter along the paths of virtue, to love, to learn, to live, to love, to learn, to live. Lord's Academy, at the seat of learning. You are a beacon light, you are a master divine. You teach us today and always to love, to learn, to live, to love, to learn, to live. Amidst the halls of Lord's Academy, we learn to do our very best in sunshine and in rains, trusting the idols of our alma mater. We fly aloft the flag of our pride and woe, to love, to learn, to live, to love, to learn, to live forever long. Lord's Academy, we love and honor truth. We sing of your glory and pledge to follow the paths of virtue, to love, to learn, to live, to love, to learn, to live forever long.
School attention. Stand at ease. Attention, assembly dispersed.